Engaging in exercise is vital for seniors, promoting not only physical health but also enhancing mental well-being. Low-impact workouts present an ideal solution, allowing older adults to stay active while minimizing the risk of injury. These workouts can include a mix of strength training, flexibility exercises, and cardiovascular activities, enabling seniors to maintain a fulfilling and healthy lifestyle. It is essential to explore various options that cater to individual preferences and physical capabilities. One popular form of low-impact exercise is walking. Whether it's a leisurely stroll in the park or a brisk walk on a treadmill, walking is beneficial for maintaining cardiovascular health. It strengthens the heart and improves circulation while being easy on the joints. Walking in nature also offers mental health benefits, as the tranquility of the outdoors can reduce stress and boost mood. Many seniors find companionship and motivation by joining walking groups, encouraging social interaction alongside physical fitness. Water aerobics is another fantastic option. Exercising in water reduces the strain on joints while providing resistance to enhance muscle strength. Classes are often available at local community centers or gyms, offering a structured environment for seniors to stay active. The buoyancy of water assists with balance and flexibility, making it easier for participants to perform various movements safely. Adding this element of fun into the workout routine can encourage consistency while fostering a sense of camaraderie among participants. Yoga and Tai Chi are additional low-impact choices that focus on balance, flexibility, and mindfulness. These gentle forms of exercise promote body awareness and coordination without the need for strenuous activity. By incorporating deep breathing and meditation, seniors can reduce anxiety and enhance mental clarity. Many classes specifically designed for seniors adjust poses and movements to suit varying levels of ability, ensuring everyone can participate comfortably and effectively. Lastly, strength training with resistance bands or light weights is an excellent method to preserve muscle mass and improve overall body strength. It is crucial for seniors to engage in this form of exercise to counteract the natural decline in muscle density associated with aging. Exercises can be adapted and easily performed at home, making it accessible for individuals who may prefer a private setting. Keeping a balanced workout regime further promotes independence and well-being among seniors. As seniors age, maintaining an active lifestyle becomes increasingly important. Low-impact workouts specifically cater to their needs, allowing for effective exercise while minimizing strain on joints and muscles. These workouts provide a safe and enjoyable way to enhance strength, flexibility, and overall well-being. Starting with a warm-up is crucial. Gentle movements such as arm circles, ankle rolls, and light marching in place gradually prepare the body for more rigorous activity. This phase not only increases blood flow, but also prevents injury, ensuring that the body is ready to move without stress. Incorporating a few minutes of deep breathing adds a calming influence to the experience, promoting relaxation. One popular low-impact exercise is chair aerobics. This approach allows seniors to participate in cardiovascular workouts while utilizing the stability of a chair. Alternating between seated leg lifts, arm curls with light weights, and side bends encourages heart health without overwhelming the body. This routine can be done in a group setting, fostering social interaction and motivation. To improve balance and stability, resistance band exercises are an excellent choice. Seniors can perform exercises such as seated rows, chest presses, and leg extensions using resistance bands to enhance strength. These tools offer adjustable tension, making the exercises customizable for every individual's ability. Encouraging consistent practice cultivates a sense of accomplishment and boosts confidence. Yoga and stretching are also essential components of a low-impact routine for seniors. Chair yoga or gentle floor stretches help increase flexibility and reduce stiffness. Poses such as the cat-cow stretch and seated forward fold promote relaxation and mobility. Regular stretching improves posture and the range of motion, allowing seniors to perform daily activities more comfortably. Incorporating a variety of activities keeps seniors engaged and motivated. Swimming or water aerobics can be part of the routine, providing a refreshing way to work out while alleviating joint pressure. Light walking or hiking on flat, even surfaces can also be enjoyable, allowing seniors to connect with nature while staying physically active. Ultimately, the key for seniors is to find joy in movement. Low-impact workouts offer numerous physical and psychological benefits, fostering a sense of health and vitality. By choosing enjoyable activities and committing to a consistent exercise schedule, seniors can enhance their quality of life and remain active well into their later years.